How to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. Go ahead and pull up the PrizePicks app on your phone and log in. From the home screen, look at the very top left corner. You'll see three little horizontal lines. Tap that menu icon, look down the list, and select Withdraw Funds. Next up, just type in the exact dollar amount you're looking to cash out. Now here is the secret sauce for Cash App. When it asks for your payout method, you want to use either your physical cash card debit card info or grab your routing and account numbers directly from your Cash App banking tab. Drop those details in, give it a quick double check to make sure the numbers are perfect, and hit confirm. To keep everything secure, PrizePicks is going to shoot a one-time verification password over to your email. Just log into your inbox, grab that security code, plug it back into the app, and you're officially locked in. Your funds will start processing right over to your account balance. And that is how you move your money from PrizePicks right into Cash App. Now, if you need help actually getting that money out of Cash App and into your physical hands or your main bank account, click right here to watch my next video on how to withdraw money from Cash App. See you over there.